Hello, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be making jollof rice and I'll show you how I make mine. So first I'm going to cut all the vegetables: fresh thyme, some fresh tomato, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some paprika. I will be using both the yellow and red habanero peppers and some garlic. I will cut this into bits and transfer it into the oven after I sprinkle a little bit of vegetable over it to grill. And then I'll go ahead and wash the chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to be grilling this chicken. I've gone ahead to pour some white vinegar and salt into it so as to wash it properly. So I'll give it a proper rinse and wash one by one to make sure that it's very well clean. After I've done this, I will proceed to season it. To season this, I'm going to be using some thyme, garlic, ginger powder, suya spice, salt, onion powder, chicken seasoning, and I will sprinkle some vegetable oil over it, and then go ahead and mix it properly by hand. I will rub it in very well to make sure that the seasonings get into the chicken. I will set it aside for a few minutes after doing this and allow it to marinate. This has marinated for about 30 minutes. I'm going ahead to transfer it into the air fryer. I will be grilling this on a very high heat so that it dries up very well. So I will be grilling at 180 degrees for 50 minutes because I will be saucing this chicken up. And I used the suya spice to make this because I wanted it to give me a very yummy suya-like taste. And guys, it was very yummy in the end. Now the vegetable is okay, it's grilled like I want it. I will transfer it into the blender and blend it to a smooth puree. In a heated pot, I've transferred in some vegetable oil. I'll transfer in the onion and allow it to fry. Guys, you need a lot of onion for jollof rice. I've transferred in some salt and bay leaf. I'll add in some garlic, dry garlic seasoning, and then I'll stir it up, add in some curry powder and allow it to cook for a bit before I add in the tomato paste or puree, whatever you have available. So I will cook this up for a little bit, add in the nutmeg, allow it to cook some more before I go ahead and add in the tomato paste, the vegetable paste or puree that I had blended. So this gave me a lot of quantity, so I won't be using all. I will reserve some in a mason jar and top it up with some vegetable oil and put in the refrigerator for whenever I need it. And then right now I'm going ahead to add some more seasoning: ginger powder, garlic powder, stock cube, and cover it and allow it to cook some more. It has cooked for a bit. Right now I'm adding in the washed rice. Guys, I washed this rice until the water ran clear. I did not parboil. I'll mix it to combine very well, and then I'll go ahead and add in boiled hot water. Yes, you need very boiled water for this, okay, so that it doesn't get soggy. So I will stir it some more and then allow it to continue to cook. After a bit, I will control this by covering with foil and reducing the heat. So at this point now, you can see that the rice has taken in most of the water that I've added, the liquid content. So right now I will go ahead and cover with foil. This is to lock in the moisture or the steam, to allow it to cook in its steam so that you don't add any more water so it doesn't get soggy. So right now that's what I'm doing, and then I'll cover this rice and allow it to cook some more. Lastly, I'll add some more onion, some diced green pepper and butter. This elevates the taste of the rice so much. And of course, I'm going to allow it to smoke. What I mean is allow it to burn a little. So when you need to make jollof rice, just take out your stainless pot. Allow it to smoke a little, because what's Nigerian jollof rice without allowing it to burn a bit? So of course we did that, and with the butter and green pepper and onion, it elevates the taste. That's done right now. I'm going to go ahead and fry up the pepper sauce with which I will be seasoning the chicken. Still watching until now? Please subscribe, turn on your notification, like and share the video. Turn the notification on so that you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Please do comment on the video, like and share. Thanks for always watching. Thanks for always coming back for more recipes. Thanks for watching until now. So I'm going to sauce up this chicken and then go ahead and allow it to stir fry a little bit. See you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.